Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, everything is being undertaken.
You mentioned about the cooperation and discussion on transnational crime, no? Pero was there also a discussion or is there ongoing discussion on so-called trans-border hiding, considering that we have high-profile fugitives?
Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, everything is being undertaken. Especially so that I have talked with the Interpol, I have talked with the European who are present during the conference. Pati yung mga effort noon, like for example, if you're well-versed or you know former Master Sergeant Rizal Ali, he was arrested where? In Sabah, Malaysia, because of our strong ties and cooperation, coordination with our neighboring countries. And that person is subject of a warrant of arrest for several years na hinahanap natin. At marami pa, not only that person and person or personalities that nasa isip mo ngayon, at marami pa. In fact, we have several accomplishments relative to that. We deported wanted persons from Japan, Korea, Taiwan, even China. Meron tayo, di ba? Yung si Andy Tan, napa-deport natin yun. And several others.